Alright dude, it's not more than twigs.
We're lucky to find some firewood here.
Will that cook a rabbit?
Double that.
It's getting dark, man. We should hurry.
Yeah.
I have to skin this in the light. Stuff like this always happens unexpected, doesn't it?
Julius, Dylan and Jager are back every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern US or 8 p.m. UK.
Smooth gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature.
Stay tuned for this Sunday when we upload the brand new trailer of the season as an extra upload.
Alright, we're done, dude. Oh, it was all internal damage, man. He just crushed his organs.
So it was Jager.
But literally, I could have done the same. I nearly stepped on the thing and it jumped out in front of me, right in front of Jager. All Jager did was and it's quite a small one, like he's very... Oh, but look at this. This went right through him. This is his other canine there. You see? Here, like. Okay, now it's time to cook this bad boy up, I suppose. I need to wash myself, man. At least my hands and my tool.
Well, the lake is there.
You get some more firewood?
Yeah.
Nice. That's disgusting, man. But at least we'll be outside for a week if he gets sick. At the whole thing, dude. Ah, the smoke is real. What do you think, dude? You excited for some rabbit?
I don't know if it was hunted according to my philosophy, but anyways.
Well, we basically stood on it.
It shouldn't go to waste, so we have a good dinner.
Yeah.
You're gonna catch a rabbit like that in a big challenge?
Oh, of course not, sure. Huh?
That would be considered cheating now.
What, to use the dog?
You know?
You could have got Willow.
Call in the rabbit, man. Call in the rabbit. It's your honor.
My honor, eh?
Yeah.
Jager's honor, really. Jeez, I can't believe what happened. Huh?
Me neither. Hey, look who's there. No. How is it?
Yeah, it's good. But the edges are very crispy. That's a kidney.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Really?
A bit crispy.
Well, I just pretend it's a bean.
This should be the best part, really.
Here we go. It's decent, but I wouldn't mind eating a vegan steak now and then. I don't know about this kidney, man. This thing is so hard. No.
Alright.
Ja, ik zou zeggen, ga eens lekker opscheppen, joh. Lekker opscheppen.
Hey, welcome back, Gavi.
Cheers, man. You welcome back.
Dylan is back. Dylan is back.
Is my home ground, right?
Okay, fair enough. I'm back to Ireland. We're just about to start a very big challenge.
Yeah, so that's the end of the season. You have to wait for it.
So, in an hour or so, we head off to the fort, and the challenge starts on the island. We have to swim off it.
Yeah, so we have to hike for 3 days with only limited of non-ideal survival items.
Some are ideal, some are not ideal. It all dependent on the pre-battles. So with those battles, the person who won the battle could choose the item and choose for the other. So this season, a lot of competition, huh? Less of working together. Isn't that a bit of a bummer?
Yes and no. I think ultimately for the viewer, there's more to see if you have versus. You know?
Different approaches, different.
Exactly, yeah, you just have more to show, really.
And you are not alone, actually.
Oh, Jager's here.
Jager! Jager! Hey! Yeah! Hello, buddy. Missed you. So what do we have up next week, Dylan? Any idea?
Next week is... Because we have to go back a couple of weeks now, don't we?
Yes.
What did we do at all? Oh yeah, some nice things, yeah. Some heavy hauling.
Oh yeah, we start with building a new camp in Ireland and making an oven. After that we start with the battles. And check out the season's new trailer this Sunday. So turn on that notification bell for Smooth Gefixt weekly uploads. Stress is here. No. This season on Smooth Gefixt, it's battle time.
A little bit too much geleuter, weet je. Labba labba. Zoals Yuka dat zegt.
Labba labba?